I managed a couple weeks away from Costa Rica. I managed to take the drive from LAX to Las Vegas. Not the loneliest drive in my mind. There was lots of stuff on the way. I went there and back, and certainly not as desolate as some of the other roads I've driven. This is the absolute first thing I found when I was driving along. The first 7-Eleven. Came across the Viper, which obviously I can't get here in Costa Rica. Once again, I got most of these at flea markets that I went to in Las Vegas. Usually didn't pay over $2 for the premium stuff, and the other stuff I got for like 50 cents and $1. These were all 50 cents. This is actually from a 5-pack. This is a little hard to find, this one. And I believe this is also from, no, this is from a 3-pack. And this is from a 5-pack from what I remember. Then we got the Silica. That's kind of a cool, oops, sorry. It's kind of a cool one. And then the other loose one I got for 50 cents was the Buy Away Man. I already have it. I was hoping it was a different wheel variation, but it wasn't. But anyway, it was cheap, so maybe I'll do a wheel swap on it. As for the other stuff I found in the flea markets, and believe me, flea markets are very cool for me to go to because we don't really have that many here in Costa Rica, and if they come across cars, it's usually those cheap China cars. Back to the Future 3. Got another HW Flames 5-pack. I've been grabbing these quite a bit over the years. This one here, this truck is pretty cool. I will crack these open. Not adjusting my camera because it's already fallen twice. And I only got a limited amount of time here. A couple of more Hot Wheels that I grabbed. Different ones that I don't get here, Costa Rica. These are all pretty average dollar cars. Let me see what else I got. This is a treasure hunt, but most people aren't picking that up. Cougars, I collect Cougars, the cars anyway, and a couple of more singles that I found out there. Moving on to the Matchbox, let's see what we got here. We got one of the Hero City cars, or more like SUVs. Picked that one up for $1. All these I got for $1 actually. And this I found at Vaughn's actually. I got a few of these cars at Vaughn's grocery store. Those. I have this Tesla in the package, but not in the box. It's the Roadster, silver. A couple more Teslas. I'm ramping up my Tesla collection. I have them in the racks here, a little higher up. Ambulance. This is the Coffee Cruisers 5-pack. And of course we got the Moon Eyes in there and a Mustang. And yeah, it's kind of cool. Then I got another ambulance here, the moving parts. I don't get a chance to grab many of those. And one more gasser. That's basically my haul from the Las Vegas flea markets and the road from LAX to Las Vegas at a few gas station stops. Not bad. I try to cool it a bit on this when I'm traveling because this here is 12 pounds, all this stuff, and it does add to the luggage weight quite a bit. But anyway, that's what I got. Show some of the stuff up closer in a bit.